Deploying AI doesn't have to be a massive project and doesn't have to be complicated.
So what you're saying is, I could do exactly the same what the big players, the big monopolists that are already out there that make a lot of money with those services. I can have it on site, installed in my own data center, within my walls, and guarantee my customers the security I'm offering to them anyway.
Exactly.
So, hello, good morning, and great to be at MSP Global again. So, it's really the best place to be to engage with industry experts. By the way, I've never seen you before. Hi, who are you?
Hi, I'm Levent. I'm an expert for truly independent AI that is built in Europe. Nice meeting you. How can I help?
Wow, that's great. Well, my name is Patricia. I'm a local managed service provider. And you know, so my brain always spins around the fact that I want to add AI as a service to my portfolio because I think that's really important. That's what my customers are asking for. But I'm really struggling a little bit because I want it to have local. I want the data to be protected and secure.
Okay.
So I'm really wondering, what do I do now? So it's also, am I big enough? So many questions.
Yeah. Oh, those are valid concerns, and nice meeting you, Patricia. And actually, you are not too late. And with the year-end local AI, powered by CoMind, MSPs can now build local, private, secure AI that is hosted in their own infrastructure. And with that, basically, no data leaves their premises, and they can control the data. They can provide the Gen AI capabilities.
Are you really saying that the data would stay inside my data center? So in other words, I can make a true promise to my customers that no data gets leaked to the internet, that it's really inside my walls. It is truly secure.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Basically, what you do is with having the year-end local AI deployed in your own infrastructure or private cloud or hybrid setup, you basically control the whole value chain. And this is connected to your data, your own customers' data. It is all on your premise. So you control the value chain. No margins are lost to the hyperscalers, or there are no hidden unpredictable API costs. You control everything. That means that you can actually deploy this fast, quickly, and start competing and winning by securing the data for your customers.
Oh, come on, Levent, isn't that one of those marketing promises? You know, I'm a local hero, so I don't have a multi-million euro budget to spend for the implementation. And I mean, the technology itself, it's great. My customers want it. I want it. I love it. But, you know, AI is complex. It's like a hairy beast. So
Yes.
it's also not so easy to find experts out there. You know, everybody talks about AI. So, but only very few people understand it. That's what I've noticed. So, how can I, as I said, I'm a local hero. How can I get started with my limited budget, with my limited resources?
Yeah. By the way, yeah, I think that's a very valid concern. I hear that quite often. And deploying AI doesn't have to be a massive project and doesn't have to be complicated. So that's why we designed this platform to be actually self-contained, a turnkey solution that you can easily install and deploy on your data center for your customers or even for yourself. So this is relatively easy that you can actually deploy and turn the AI, some of the AI capabilities we already provide into action, not in days, but in minutes.
Yeah, but on the other hand, I mean, it's not like I'm a first mover or an early adopter. You know, there are the big players already out there, not even to mention the big hyperscalers. And you mentioned it already, I'm giving away a lot of my valuable margin to those hyperscalers. So there are the others, like the ChatGPTs, the Claudes Mistrals in the world, the Llamas, and whatever their name is. So they're already there. How can I, as a small local hero, compete with them? Because they have a head start. You told me at the beginning, I'm not too late, but I'm afraid I am. So,
yeah. So these are all I think valid concerns that we want to address, and one of the key benefits, as I mentioned, you know your customers, and you actually understand your customer base, and you are the local touch for them. This is the hyperscalers or public GPTs can't understand. So you understand what problems they'd like to solve. What we are offering is really out-of-the-box platform that you can actually extend, and that is connected to their data, so everything remains local. So we provide the capabilities that companies' data is performed and processed by the AI capability. So data doesn't leave to the public GPTs or hyperscalers, so everything remains in your control, and you're adding your own personal touch and your own personal touch with the local security, while it is allowing you to provide better truth and transparency and offer compliance and faster time to compliance, which maybe hyperscalers can't.
So what you're saying is, I could do exactly the same what the big players, the big monopolists that are already out there that make a lot of money with those services. I can have it on site, installed in my own data center, within my walls, and guarantee my customers, the security I'm offering to them anyway.
Exactly. Exactly. So that's what we are saying. This, with our platform, everything remains in your control. Wow. No margins left, lost to hyperscalers. You provide your local touch and personalization while securing the data for your customers on your premise, either on data center or private cloud or in a hybrid setup.
So, and what about a multitude of customers with all that? They've all got different use cases. So maybe I could even use it myself. So can I connect it to my ticketing system, as an example, to free up time for my support engineers that they can do higher value work?
That's a very good value proposition, and answer is yes. So basically, we build the platform to be scalable from the ground up. So that means you can deploy the platform, and we already have out-of-the-box private AI agents, such as private chats, analysis tools, data ingestion tools, and you can ingest your data, analyze them, generate reports. We have private reading note takers. You can connect your structured or unstructured data like ticketing services. You can analyze, generate insights, and come up with some predictive analysis if you like to. So, but the good thing is, it's all in your control now.
So, and even if the next customer comes with a new use case, I'm not stuck and saying, I don't have it, I can't offer it to you. So are you also saying it is very flexible?
Yes, that's and very good point. The platform, as you know, there are so many use cases. We heard and we hear a lot from many people, so many use cases, and you cannot solve all use cases. What we are really trying to do is build a really nice turnkey solution platform that offers out-of-the-box capabilities, powered by many APIs and SDKs that MSPs, if they want to, or if their customers want to, they can build their own solution on the top of this platform using the APIs and SDKs to solve the specific use cases and build agentic workflows if they like to. So that's what we are saying. We have an extensible platform, easy to deploy. Out of the box, you can go from minutes to running agents with self-branded if you like. And
it sounds it's also suitable for an MSP like me, as I said, local hero without a multi-million euro budget.
Definitely.
That is really cool.
So with that, actually, we have a lot of information about how the technology works. We have our booth. If you'd like to learn more about it, I can demonstrate the technology and explain in more detail.
Yeah, because actually, when I'm looking at the watch, I think my next meeting is due, but I would really love to hear more. So see you later at the party, or where do I go if I want to see a demo?
Yeah, you will. Please come and find us with the RNAi D05. It will be there, and we will be demoing the capabilities we just talked.
Absolutely, and of course, all of you are invited as well.
Yeah,
thank you.
Thank you, Patricia. Yeah, thanks.
Joining us here on stage. I did want to ask you have some big announcements this week, today.
Yeah, actually it is. Does it go back? No, I have to point it into this direction.
I think
I'm killing the technology anyway. So the big hairy guy you saw on the intro slide is actually the new product we were just talking about, we were introducing. We're launching it today because we felt MSP Global is the perfect place to launch that product.
Wonderful. And is the best place to do that at the booth, online? Where are folks going to see that?
Well, at the booth, definitely we brought
Exactly.
our technology partners from CoMind, so he's actually the brain who codes this whole platform, so there isn't a single answer he won't, a single question he won't be able to answer. We, as a hardware specialists, we put the box underneath to make it a complete solution, and it's all available in our booth DO5.
All right.
So come follow us.
Yep.
Wonderful.
Find
We're
us.
going to send folks down to the expo hall. Thank you both
Thank you
so
very
much
much.
for your
Yeah.
time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.